Struggling with joint pain, cracked heels, or muscle soreness? Trust me, this simple homemade infused oil can help you so much. Made with 100% natural ingredients, and the main star here is RV Essential Oil. Just a few drops boost blood flow and ease muscle and joint stiffness. I usually add 3 to 4 drops of RV Wintergreen Essential Oil plus a bit of garlic and clove to make it even more stronger since they're great for reducing inflammation and has healing properties. Just massage this oil on the affected area, and with regular use you will actually feel the pain fading away. If you want product link, just comment down below.